What it is, guys, it's your girl Mirah Gustaní, and I'm back with another YouTube makeup video. This video, as you can see by the thumbnail, is a makeup video. This is going to be a fun little spring look, and we're just going to get started with the video. But before that, let me get into this. So, being the fact that there is COVID, we are to wear face masks for our safety, for everyone's safety, and all of that. I know that a lot of people are getting mask acne. You guys using the same medical mask, and you're not supposed to be doing that. You're supposed to change your mask every day. You need to get you something nice and soft, something nice and satin, something nice and silky smooth, something stylish if you're into things like that. Here's one. So this is a mask, has a little frills on it. It's black, super cute. It has material on the inside, it's nice and soft. Boom, stylish, no holes, no falling out at the bottom. It fits perfectly, it looks cute. It can go with your all black outfit. Good for you, you can clean this, reusable, get it together. If you're interested in a mask, please go to this Instagram page that I will be listing right on the screen. Go look at it, go do what y'all gotta do. Now, let's go and move on. Add our concealer to our lid. I'm gonna take some setting powder and we're gonna pat that on the lid so that they won't crease.
Here I'll be using a liner brush to make sure that, you know, the edges are nice and clean. You'll see me using my fingers to apply some of the colors on after using my brush, because I feel like your fingers smudging the shades together gives you the best ombre effect, and some of the shades are more pigmented than others, so that's also another thing.
To fit one more color into this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my tape back some so that I have more space to add. So now I have to like carve out the wing, so I'm going to do that one. Okay, so now that we have everything set in stone, this is when the liner comes in. You guys need to be very careful with this liner because you don't want to mess the look up. I will be using, this one is from Kat Von D. This is Kat Von D liner. It's like a pen, and I'm going to use this as well.
Sorry for the super zoom in. I want you guys to see it. I didn't realize how I had my head to the bottom of the screen, so I hope you guys can still see this.
So finally, we're done with the makeup of the eye. We're gonna keep going, so I'm gonna clean all this extraness off my face. So next, we're just gonna go on with the rest of the face. So here we go.
Sure to be super careful when doing primer around your eyes because you do not want to mess up that eye look. Make sure you're touching up your concealer before you set it, because if you set it with creases, you're going to be setting the creases into place. Setting my face with the brush, I like to tap in the setting powder with a sponge just to melt everything together.
Some highlighter, and then I'm gonna pop some lashes on. So here we are with the lashes on, but we not done. We not done. You tap that in. Oh, I'm gonna go into my gold shades because I'm filling up those two. And my lock. I'm really feeling it. So I forgot to add the little dots on, so I'm gonna do that right now. Oh, this was so cute. I can't be involved. So if you're watching this, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Later, babies. Bye.